everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have an unboxing. Yes, I finally received my September Boxy Premium. So if you all want to see what's inside this box, please continue to watch. For those who do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. And I will leave a link in the description section of this video where you can click on it and decide if this is something you would like to invest in or not. Okay, let's go ahead on with this unboxing. And this is how the box comes. Open it up. And right there, it said Boxycharm Premium, okay? And the first thing you have is a card, and the theme for this month, which is September, is Glam Vibes Only, okay? And on the other side of this card, it just tells the merchandise and the price inside this box, okay? And I have variation number 9. Variation number 9. Hopefully y'all can see that. And this box weighed 2 pounds, 13.9 ounces. Let me open it up. The first thing I see on top is from Milk Makeup. And this is a highlighter. Okay. Milk Makeup, and it's a highlighter, and it's in the color Lit. Milk Makeup Highlighter, a dewy everyday champagne pearl cream highlighter stick that glides on for a natural glow. And this retails for $28. $28, you all. And this is Milk Makeup Highlighter Stick. Okay, the next thing I see on top in the box is Hardie facial oil. This is an overnight treatment, and it says 30 milliliters, 1.04 ounce. Let's see, can I open it? Oh, this is the box. Open it up, see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. And it says Hardie Brilliance facial oil, hydrates and lightweight. The Brilliant facial oil from Hardie massage deep into skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. And this retails for $55. $55, y'all. Okay. Okay. The next thing in the box is Cinnabuns scrub. Exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. It says Frank Body Cinnabuns Scrub. My Cinnabuns Scrub gives your skin the love it needs to fight winter breakouts, dryness, and blues with antibiotic properties and natural ingredients. And this retails for $18.95. Okay. The next thing I see in this box is an ice roller. It says ice roller. Let me open it up. And this is what it looks like. This ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscle tension and headaches. And this retails for $18, y'all. $18. Next thing I see in this box is Marc Jacobs Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let me see, can I open it up since it's a highlighter? Oh, it has a pump on it. Let me see, can I pull a little out? Okay, that's what the highlighter looks like. Let me see again. Did it highlight? Do y'all see anything? Did it highlight? Marc Jacobs Beauty Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter. Give your highlight a shot of skincare. Inspired by Marc Jacobs' love of coconut water and the glow of youthful, radiant, well-hydrated skin. And this retails for $45. The last thing I see in this box is the Queen. A queen lies in all of us. Eloise. Okay, this is a palette. It's Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette. The top. And it does have a mirror. And this is what it looks like. Okay. The Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. And this retails for $46, y'all. $46 for this palette. $46. Okay, and that's it for this box. It's just those are 6 items that's in the box, and the total for this box is $210.95. $210.95. Now where can you beat that from? $210.95 for all these products, and the only thing you paying for it is $35. You can't beat that nowhere. And I must say thank you, Boxycharm. I finally got a box that I don't have to say I hate. Thank you very much. Let's just hope my boxy looks when I get it, it's good, and the rest of this year it'll be good. Because if not, December will be my last box. So comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know, do you all get Boxycharm? And if so, did you get the same variation that I got? And if you got something different, what do you think about your box? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.